And we start with breaking news on the death of baby Halo. The infant's mother was just back in court in front of a judge.
Persia Nelson is facing charges of depraved indifference murder after baby Halo was found in a pipe access area at General Electric in Schenectady. It was a short court appearance, but family and friends showed up to the hearing wearing jackets with baby Halo's face printed on them.
News Channel 13's Tessa Bentulin is live outside Schenectady City Court. She spoke with Nelson's attorney, Tessa, just a short time ago.
Hi, Mark and Sabrina, and we did, and you will hear from the attorney in just a few minutes, but I want to talk about those family and friends and what they were wearing there. They didn't want to talk to reporters, but when they walked into Schenectady City Court, which is inside the Schenectady Police Station, a lot of them were wearing those gray hoodies, as you can see, with a picture of the 10-month-old baby Halo from a happier time. The photo is of baby Halo smiling, and they were there for Persia Nelson's court case. There were several of them, and during the court case, you saw Nelson donning an orange jumpsuit, and it was quiet as she entered the city courtroom. You could hear the chains that restricted the use of her hands and feet as she was making her way down to the center of the room. Police say Nelson allegedly dropped her child, baby Halo, down an 8-foot deep pipe access area on General Electric property, exposing baby Halo to the elements that night. That was over the weekend. Again, it was a short court appearance that lasted no more than about 5 minutes. The point of this hearing was to let Nelson know her case is going to be moved to Schenectady County Court, and her next hearing is still to be determined. Nelson's attorney says there is a grand jury indictment now, but the charges are still sealed.
It doesn't tell us what it is she's been indicted on. I won't know what she's been indicted on until we get up to county court. I could speculate it's probably going to be close to, if not mirror, the charges that she had here earlier and what she's been charged with.
And Nelson, again, is facing a manslaughter charge and a murder charge as well. And there has also been some discussion about Nelson's mental state that will play out possibly in this whole case. We asked the attorney if that would play a role in the case, and that answer coming up live at 5 o'clock. But for now, reporting live here in Schenectady, I'm Tessa Bentulin. Mark and Sabrina, back to you.
Tessa, thank you very much.